greetings to one and all. I am Nageshwar studying 5th standard. I would like to show an artistic bird, the Indian roller, for English art integration. This is the beautiful Indian roller. The Indian roller is a brightly colored with various shades of blue on the wings, tails and belly that are often more prominent in flight. It is a bird of the family Crocoidae. The rollers, it occurs widely from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent. It is listed at least concerned on the IUCN Red List. It is best known for its aerobatic displays of male during the breeding season. The, the Indian roller is distributed across Asia. They descend to the ground to capture their prey, which may include insects, spiders, scorpions, and small snakes and amphibians. It is an immense pleasure